na love sa linamnam.
Maximum perfect. Direk, iyan mo na si ate. Kasi sa ₱1 lang, makakalaro ka na sa Bingo Plus.
May mga premyong pwede mapanalunan. Maglaro sa Bingo Plus app para tuloy-tuloy ang premyo at saya.
Malay mo, mapanulunan mo pa ang jackpot prize sa first online live streaming bingo sa Pinas. Pag panalo sa bingo,
Plus sa saya!
Viva po ang Jesus Nazareno! 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 Viva
Nuestro Padre Jesús Nazareno, niluluwalhati ka namin.
Kung minsan ang kakulangan ng pera nagagastusin sa employment requirements ang nagiging hadlang para makapagsimulang magtrabaho. Kaya naman, noong naisabatas ang First-Time Job Seekers Assistance Act noong 2019, malaking tulong daw ito sa first-time job seekers.
The government sees that foregoing revenue from having these documents, it's going to redound to the benefit of the government and the economy generally. They will be allowed to enter the workforce and contribute to the entire country.
I realized that my ideals will only be implemented if I call the shots. And to call the shots, I need to own the business. I want to do business because for me to be able to help more people, I need to earn more. And for me to even immortalize that impact is through my wisdom. And wisdom is being now put in a book that can be theirs even after I'm gone.